Good morning, everyone. We are doing arithmetic mean, in which we have already studied individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. We are still studying the specific conditions of continuous series. In my previous video, I have explained you cumulative frequency series, and today I am going to explain you inclusive series. Inclusive series. Here, I'll give you the example. If a question is given, marks 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, and number of students are given 10, 15, 20, 40, and here you can say more 15. Suppose these are the number of students which has been given to us, or we can write okay, 15 we have written. Now suppose this is the question. Now how can we calculate arithmetic mean by using the series? First we have to convert it. We can only calculate arithmetic mean in an exclusive series. So this is given inclusive. Inclusive means the upper limit is included in the class interval itself. Because अगर 9 आ जाता है तो 9 तो यहीं पे इंक्लूड हो रहा है, 9 नेक्स्ट वाले में इंक्लूड नहीं हो रहा. बट एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज में क्या होता है, इट इज़ 0 to 10, 10 to 20. दैट मीन्स अपर लिमिट इज एक्सक्लूडेड because it is included in the next class interval. But here 9 is not there in the next class interval, so here the upper limit is included. When it is included, it is called the inclusive series. When it is excluded, it is called the exclusive series. So to calculate arithmetic mean, first we have to calculate, we convert inclusive series into exclusive series, right? Now how to convert it? Mind it, what we have to do is we have to take the difference between the upper limit of one class interval and the lower limit of the next class interval, right? Say suppose one class interval upper limit is 9 and the lower class interval of the next class limit is 10. Upper limit of one class interval and lower limit of the next class interval, like 10 and 9, we'll take the difference, it is 1, and this difference is divided by 2, so it will be minus 1 divided by 2, or you can say difference, you can say 1 only, 0.5. We have to take care about this 0.5. We don't have to look after this negative or positive sign. We only have to take the difference between the upper limit of one class interval and the lower limit of the other class interval is 1. एक क्लास इंटरवल की अपर लिमिट में और दूसरी क्लास इंटरवल की लोअर लिमिट में 1 का डिफरेंस है, राइट? हम प्लस माइनस पे नहीं जाएंगे इसमें. जो भी डिफरेंस है we'll divide the difference by 2, it will become 0.5. now this 0 point will be used to make the upper limit and the lower limit. now first class interval में 0 ही 0 रहेगा क्योंकि 0 से कम जाएगा नहीं, but we will add this 0.5 to make the upper limit and subtract 0.5 for the lower limit. So we'll add 0.5 in 9, it will become 9.5. 10 में से 0.5 माइनस कर देंगे क्योंकि लोअर लिमिट है, it will become 9.5. 19 plus 0.5 is 19.5. then 20 minus 0.5, क्योंकि लोअर से हम माइनस करेंगे 0.5, अपर में हम प्लस करेंगे 0.5 हर स्टेप पे, राइट? सो इट विल बिकम 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5. I hope it is clear that how I have solved this, how I have converted it into exclusive series. Now you can see that the upper limit of one class interval is the lower limit of next class interval. You can see as first class interval upper limit is 9.5 and it is the same. The lower limit of the next class interval is 9.5. So here it becomes exclusive series. Now how to calculate it further? What we have to do is frequency we have to write 10, 15, 20, 40 and 15. Apart from this, we will find out mid values. So how do we calculate mid values? We'll add upper limit and lower limit, divide by 2. So 9.5 plus 0 divide by 2. 9.5 plus 0 is 9.5 divided by 2. 9.5 divided by 2, what will happen? It will come 4.75. We can write here 4.75. When we talk about 9.5 plus 19.5 divide by 2, it becomes 9.5 plus 19.5. 9 plus 19, 28. 28 plus 1, 29. 29 divided by 2 is 14.5. It becomes 14.5. Same with the next one, 19.5 plus 29.5. It becomes 49 and divide by 2, 24.5. Then next 34.5 and 44.5. Sorry, this is 5. So this is the mid values. Now with the help of this mid value, what we can find? We can find deviation. अभी अगर हम लोग इसको डायरेक्ट मेथड से करते हैं, FM से करते हैं, तो ये बहुत लेंदी हो जाएगा. What we can do easily is we can calculate here m minus a. तो अब a हम लोग ले लेते हैं. Say suppose I have taken 24.5 as a. तो what will happen? We'll calculate 4.75 minus 24.5. It will become minus 19.75. Then 14.5 minus 24. अब 10 का अंतर आ जाएगा सब में. minus 10, 0, 34.5 minus 24.5 plus 10 and plus 20. Now it is D. We can calculate D dash here to solve it more further and easily. D dash is by which we can calculate, by which we can divide all the numbers. Now here we don't find any number by which we can divide all the numbers here, right? So now what we will do is we can directly do F and D's multiplication. We can use shortcut method rather than finding out D dash, because here we are unable to find D dash, common factor here. So what we'll do is we'll multiply F into D. So 19.75 into 10, it will become 197.5 माइनस का, राइट, क्योंकि पॉइंट इधर चला जाएगा 10 से मल्टीप्लाई होके. एंड 15 इंटू माइनस 10 माइनस 150, 0, 40 इंटू 10 it is 400, and 15 into 20 it is 300, right? By doing the total, we'll get sigma FD. What we'll do is we'll plus the positive ones separately and the negative ones separately. It will become 347.5 minus ka. Now when we subtract 347.5 out of 700, we get 352.5. 352.5. Now this is FD. What we'll do now here is, I hope the calculation is clear to you. Now we'll put the formula, mean A plus sigma FD over sigma F. Here A we have taken 24.5. Sigma FD here is 352.5. Now what is the total of frequency? We have to write the total of frequency here. So total of frequency here is it is 100. So we can see that 5 plus 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100 divide by 100, right? So अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? अब हम लोग इसको अपॉन 1 करके कुछ भी सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे, उससे हमारी कैलकुलेशंस बहुत ज़्यादा लेंदी हो जाएंगी. What we'll do is we'll solve it. What we'll solve, हम लोग 352.5 डिवाइड बाई 100. ऑब्वियसली जब डिवाइड करेंगे तो पॉइंट 2 पॉइंट्स आगे आ जाएगा, तो हो जाएगा 24.5 प्लस 3.525. तो when we'll add 3.525 with 24.5, we'll get 28.025. So here mean will be 28.025. दिस विल बी द आंसर. ऑल्दो इसकी कैलकुलेशन लंबी हुई है, और अगर हम इसको FM से करते, डायरेक्ट मेथड से करते तो और लंबा होता. तो इसकी कैलकुलेशन पे आपको हर स्टेप पे ध्यान देना है, कोई भी स्टेप पे छोड़ना नहीं है. और सबसे मेन, हाउ टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज़. इंक्लूसिव सीरीज़ में गिवन है तो यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज़. दिस इज़ द मेन थिंग व्हेन द इंक्लूसिव सीरीज़ इज़ गिवन इन द question, and this is the way how to convert it. Upper limit of one class interval minus the lower limit of the another class interval divide by 2. तो इस तरह से हमारी एक्सक्लूसिव में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी. आगे का जो प्रोसीजर है दैट विल बी सेम एज वी हैव डन इन द कंटिन्यूस सीरीज. And it's my suggestion to all of you, if no method is given in the question, better to follow step derivation method. It is the easiest method to follow with less calculations. Thank you. God bless you all.